Hello students, our next topic is transgenic plant. What is transgenic plant? The transgenic plants are produced by the help of the technique genetic engineering, in which we take any foreign gene, any foreign DNA fragment and insert into a vector, the vector also called the cloning vehicle. And the cloning vehicle which may be used like that any plasmid, any cosmid, any virus, and form the recombinant copy, R copy, also called hybrid and chimeric. So after the formation of this hybrid and the DNA of this hybrid directly transform into the host cell and form the new plant or progeny. This new plant do not have the same gene of the same family member. That means the genes which introduce into the plant cell are not present in the same family member like that. So the introducing gene which are used for the transformation या फिर transgenesis, the genes are known as the transgenes, and the process by which the genes are introduced into the plants known as the transgenesis. One more definition of the transgenic plants is, in this the genes are introduced into a plant through the genetic engineering technique, and these genes do not exist or present in any other member of the same family. Clear? So when the genetic engineering plant or the transgenic plants are formed, then we use as a commercial purpose, then the following requirement must be satisfied. The first one is introduction of the gene of the interest of the all plant cell. दैट मीन्स कि जो भी प्लांट सेल्स होंगे उनके जीन ऑफ इंटरेस्ट का जो इंट्रोडक्शन है वो क्लियरली पता होनी चाहिए. सेकेंड इज स्टेबल मेंटेनेंस ऑफ द न्यू जनरेशन इंफॉर्मेशन. थर्ड वन, transmission of the new gene to the subsequent generation. And last, expression of the cloned gene, clone that means transgenic plant या फिर gene in the correct cell at the correct time. Clear? That means कि जब भी हम कोई जीन ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे किसी भी प्लांट सेल के अंदर, उसका क्लियरली सेम टाइम पे हमें एक चीज़ नोट करनी है कि वो जीन उसके अंदर सक्सेसफुली इंसर्ट हुआ है या फिर नहीं हुआ. क्लियर? So next process is the transgenesis. You all know that about the process transgenesis. That means transfer from one organism to the another organism, one place to the another. And genesis is the mechanism, any process. Clear? So it is the process mechanism by which the transfer of desired isolated any gene or any gene fragment, any chromosomal fragment or isolated nuclei transfer from one organism to the another organism and produce the new hybrid plant or organism. These hybrid organism also called transgenic organism, and by which these organisms are produced, the process is known as the transgenesis. In the process transgenesis, two another processes are produced like that, transformation and the transformation. Both are depend on the mode of transmission. This is depend on the mode of transmission in case of plant and transfection in case of the animals. The transformation, it may be defined as the uptake of the genes by the cells of the bacteria or other microbes which involve the phenotypic alteration of the cell. Phenotypic, that means characters. Clear? And the transfection, in this the introduction of a DNA fragment either naked or integrated with a vector into the animal cell known as the transfection. Clear? So number of vectors, that you all know that the vector also known as the cloning vehicle are used for the process transgenesis. So firstly, what is vector? A vector is that entity whose DNA molecule has the ability of the independent existence and integrate the DNA insert to the transfer into the mother organism and replicate autonomously in a specific host cell to produce the clone. So these vectors are also called the cloning vehicles. So now we study the vector which are used for the transfection process. There are various vectors which are produced the transgenic animals which are based on the virus based. Firstly is the BP vector, BPV, that means the bovine papilloma virus. Second is the polyoma virus vector. Third, baculovirus vector. Fourth, retrovirus vector. Next is the P element vector. That is the most important vector present in the Drosophila. And last is the Vaccinia vector. As like that ki transfection, number of vectors are also used for the transformation in case of the plants. In case of plants, various important vectors which are capable to integrate with the genome of the plant cell and replicate autonomously. Two important vectors. First is the PTI, that is tumor inducing plasmid, and second is the PRI, that is root inducing plasmid. The tumor inducing plasmid is of the Agrobacterium tumefaciens, and the PRI, that is root inducing plasmid, is of the Agrobacterium rhizogens. So these both PTI and PRI, tumor inducing plasmid and root inducing plasmid, are the gram-negative plant pathogenic soil bacteria, and these both bacteria have the T region, that is the transfer region of the target site to which gene to be transferred. And it is so as some gene of the T region have the regulatory sequence recognized by the plant cells. There are some more vectors which are based on the plants and used as a vector or cloning vehicle. For example, CAMV, that is the cauliflower mosaic virus. Next is the Gemini virus. Next is the tobacco mosaic virus, that is TMV. And last is the brome mosaic virus, that is called the BMV vector. But we study the PTI, that is tumor inducing vector, in detail. PTI is used as a cloning vehicle or vector for the transformation in the plants. A PTI has the following region, like that T region for the target site and the transfer DNA. Next is the Vir region, that encode the virulence region. Next is the TRE region, that encode the transferred region. And next is the ORI region, that indicate the origin of replication site. So first one is the tDNA region. T region is formed of the transferred DNA which contain the gene for the tumor inducing or inducting oncogene and the opine synthesis. So it is transferred into the host plant genome. So host cell we can take, like for example E. coli. E. coli is the E. sacchari coli. Next is the Vir region. Vir region, also called the virulence region, and formed of the operon containing about 40 kb of the DNA forming about 25 genes. Third region is the Vir region, that is the virulence region, is mediate the transfer of the tDNA of the bacterial plasmid, and it is essential for the bacterial virulence. Third is the opine catabolism region. This region of plasmid produce the number of enzymes and which are necessary for the utilization of the opine of the agrobacterium. And this opine, you all know that form in the T region. So this region is also called ACC region, that indicate the agrocinopine catabolism. Clear? Next is the Terra region, which is also known as conjugative transfer region, and this region of the bacterial plasmid function in the conjugative transfer of the plasmid. And last region of the tumor inducing plasmid is that most important site, that is ORI region, also called the origin of replication site. and this site or region used for the multiplication and the propagation of the bacterium. So this is the diagrammatic view of the TI plasmid, which indicate all the regions. This is the tDNA region, transfer DNA region, and they act as a target site. This is the Vir region, indicate the violence region. This is the ACC region, encoded the agrocinopine catabolism. This is the Terra region, indicate the conjugative transfer region, and this is the opine catabolism region. And this is the most important site, ORI region, origin of replication site. Clear? So this is the complete process of the transgenesis.